Top 5 Best Microwave Oven in 2025. Hi guys, are looking for the best microwave oven. If you received a new microwave oven, you are in the right place. In this video we are going to review the top 5 best microwave oven on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. The XMSJ Air Fry Convection Microwave Oven is a compact 3-in-1 appliance that combines microwave, convection oven, and air fryer functions. It has a 0.9 cubic feet capacity and 900 W power output, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. The stainless steel finish adds a sleek and modern appearance. The 900 W power output is suitable for quick cooking and reheating. And it offers auto cook/reheat presets for convenience. However, some users have reported confusion in the learning curve, inconsistent performance, and a limited capacity. Similar 3-in-1 appliances have received mixed feedback, with some praising the convenience of having multiple cooking functions in one appliance and the space-saving design, while others have noted issues with the convection oven setting and air fryer controls. Number 2. The CX Household Small Mini Sterilization Multifunction Microwave Oven is a compact and versatile appliance designed for everyday kitchen use. It offers multiple cooking modes, including microwave, grill, and convection, and a sterilization function for sanitizing kitchenware, baby bottles, and utensils. The compact design is ideal for small kitchens or spaces with limited counter space. The microwave ovens are user-friendly with simple knobs or digital interfaces. Customer feedback highlights their ease of use, value for money, and compact and aesthetically pleasing design. The appliance's performance is expected to be satisfactory. Number 3. The 3-in-1 Air Fry Microwave Oven 900 W Stainless Steel Convection Cooking Multifunction Auto Cook Air Fryer Countertop Kitchen Appliance combines microwave, convection, and air fryer functions into a single unit, saving counter space. However, cooking performance varies by model, with some users reporting uneven cooking or longer cook times. User interfaces may vary, and build quality can differ between brands. Model-specific insights include inconsistent air frying results, no preheat function, and manual lack of guidance on accessory configurations. Ideal home models include the Cuisinart AMW 60, Breville Combi Wave, and Breville AMW 60, with issues with control dial breaking, touchpad unresponsiveness, and venting from the top. Number 4. The Hoyanma KM-MOT OP1SS is a 24-inch microwave oven with a 1.3 cubic feet capacity, 1000 watt power output, and a built-in 300 CFM vent hood. It offers 10 adjustable power levels, 6 pre-programmed auto cook options, a rotating glass turntable, kitchen timer, and defrost function. The oven is designed with stainless steel for a sleek appearance and is designed for over-the-range mounting, saving counter space and integrating seamlessly with your kitchen setup. Number 5. The MENUMASTER RCS 511TS is a commercial microwave oven with a 34-liter capacity and 1100 watts of power, ideal for medium-duty food service operations in cafes, convenience stores, and casual dining restaurants. It offers rapid and consistent heating, 100 programmable menu settings, 5 microwave power levels, and 4-stage cooking. The user-friendly interface features a digital display with a countdown timer, one-touch start, and braille touchpads for accessibility. The oven is built with stainless steel interior and exterior for easy cleaning and longevity in commercial kitchen environments. Its stackable design maximizes counter space, making it ideal for establishments with limited kitchen areas. Thanks for watching this video. To get more update product review, don't forget to subscribe this channel.